I'm just going to continue making stitches closer to the edges of the repair. Tiny stitches on front, bigger stitches at the back. It's going to be slow and boring to watch, so I'm going to use time-lapse photography. So I've gone all the way around, much closer to the tear. I've trimmed the back up, and there's a few ragged edges that are still standing up, so I'm going to go around a little closer and maybe do some whip stitches. I'm going around and just whip stitching around the edges of the tear to hold them a little bit more securely. So I made my way over to where my beginning thread was. I'm going to come up here and tie off. So this is the repair front side and back side. Everything's neat and tidy and tied off. I am probably going to fray check this once again just to maybe glue it down a little bit better to the back fabric, and probably trim this a little bit closer. But there you go, there's the repair.